In this video, we will talk about the history of Pluto. Pluto is one of the most intriguing celestial objects in our solar system, with a history filled with discoveries, debates, and significant changes in its classification. Once considered the ninth planet, it is now recognized as a dwarf planet. Its journey from discovery to its current status offers a fascinating look into how our understanding of space evolves with new information and technology. 1. The discovery of Pluto. In the early 20th century, astronomers believed there might be a ninth planet in our solar system. This idea came from noticing that the orbits of Uranus and Neptune did not follow expected paths. These irregularities led scientists to think that another planet's gravitational pull was affecting them. This hypothetical planet was called Planet X and became the focus of many searches. In 1930, Clyde Tombaugh, a young and enthusiastic astronomer at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona, made a breakthrough. He used a technique that involved taking multiple photographs of the night sky over time and comparing them to spot moving objects. By carefully examining these images, Tombaugh found a small moving object beyond Neptune, which turned out to be Pluto. This discovery was groundbreaking and put Tombaugh's name into history as the first to identify what was then thought to be the ninth planet. The naming of Pluto was an interesting story in itself. An 11-year-old girl from England named Venetia Burney suggested the name. She had an interest in classical mythology and thought that the god of the underworld, Pluto, was a fitting choice for such a dark and distant world. The name was well received because it matched the mysterious and remote nature of the newly discovered object. The name Pluto also conveniently honored Percival Lowell, the founder of the observatory where Tombaugh worked, as its first two letters matched his initials. 2. Pluto's characteristics and orbit. Pluto is much smaller than any of the main planets in our solar system, with a diameter of about 2,377 kilometers, less than a fifth of Earth's diameter. Because of its size, Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. Its composition is a mix of ice and rock, making it denser than most objects in its vicinity. The icy surface includes frozen nitrogen, water ice, and small amounts of methane and carbon monoxide. These frozen elements give Pluto its reflective, sometimes reddish appearance. Pluto's orbit is quite different from those of the 8 major planets. It follows an elongated or elliptical path around the Sun, varying in distance from about 4.4 billion to 7.4 billion kilometers. This eccentric orbit is also tilted at an angle, unlike the more aligned orbits of other planets. Due to this tilt and shape, there are times when Pluto is actually closer to the Sun than Neptune, disrupting the usual order of the solar system. The surface of Pluto is covered with different kinds of ice, including nitrogen ice, which makes up large, bright areas. One of its most famous regions, Sputnik Planitia, is a heart-shaped plain of frozen nitrogen that has intrigued scientists. The atmosphere of Pluto is thin and primarily consists of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere changes as Pluto moves through its long orbit. When it approaches the Sun, some of the ice on the surface sublimates into gas, creating a temporary atmosphere. As Pluto travels farther away from the Sun, the atmosphere condenses back into ice and settles on the surface again. These unique traits of Pluto, its small size, icy makeup, unusual orbit, and changing atmosphere, paint a picture of a world unlike any other in our solar system. 3. Pluto's moons. Charon. Discovered in 1978, Charon is Pluto's largest moon, nearly half its size, leading some to refer to Pluto and Charon as a double dwarf planet system. They are tidally locked, meaning the same sides always face each other. Other moons. Pluto also has 4 smaller moons, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx, discovered between 2005 and 2012. These moons have irregular shapes and follow complex orbits. 4. The debate over Pluto's status. Initial classification as a planet. Upon its discovery, Pluto was celebrated as the 9th planet of the solar system. For decades, it held its place alongside Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Advancements in technology. With more powerful telescopes and space missions, astronomers discovered other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. Some of these, like Eris, were found to be similar in size to Pluto. Re-evaluating what makes a planet. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, redefined the criteria for classifying planets. A celestial body needed to 1. Orbit the Sun. 2. Be spherical in shape due to its gravity. 3. Clear its orbital path of other debris. Pluto's reclassification. Since Pluto did not meet the third criterion, it shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper Belt. It was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision sparked public outcry and scientific debate. 5. The New Horizons mission. Mission overview. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, launched in 2006, was the first mission to explore Pluto up close. It took nearly a decade to reach Pluto, providing humanity with the most detailed images and data. Historic flyby. In July 2015, New Horizons made its closest approach to Pluto, capturing high-resolution images and gathering data about its geology, atmosphere, and moons. Key discoveries. The mission revealed that Pluto had an unexpectedly complex surface with mountains made of water ice, vast plains like the Sputnik Planitia, and evidence of potential subsurface oceans. 6. Pluto's role in understanding the Kuiper Belt. A window to the early solar system. Pluto is a key representative of the Kuiper Belt, a region that holds many primordial objects that are remnants from the formation of the solar system. Comparisons with other dwarf planets. Discoveries of other dwarf planets like Eris, Haumea, and Makemake had helped scientists understand that Pluto is not unique, but one of many large objects in this distant region. 7. Scientific and cultural significance. Pluto's influence on astronomy. The debates over Pluto's status fueled discussions about the nature of planets and the need for clearer definitions in astronomy. Cultural impact. Despite its reclassification, Pluto has remained a beloved figure in popular culture, symbolizing the mysteries of space and the possibility of re-examining what we think we know. 8. The ongoing search for understanding. Current research. Studies continue to analyze data from New Horizons and search for more insights into Pluto's atmosphere and potential signs of geological activity. Future missions. Proposals for future space missions to the Kuiper Belt and Pluto are under discussion, aiming to deepen our understanding of this distant world and its neighbors. Pluto's history is a testament to the evolving nature of science. From being the celebrated ninth planet to its reclassification as a dwarf planet, Pluto's story reflects how advancements in technology and knowledge reshape our understanding of the universe. Its exploration, particularly through the New Horizons mission, has provided incredible insights into the complexity of celestial bodies and the farthest reaches of our solar system. While debates about its planetary status continue, Pluto's importance in space exploration and public fascination remains undiminished, showcasing how even the smallest and most distant worlds can captivate the human imagination. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.